As you inhale, raise your arms overhead, lengthening through the spine, and as you exhale, hug one knee into your chest. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, draw in. Let this movement feel easy and natural as you move with your breath. You can repeat this as many times as you like. When you're ready, release this movement and release the breath. And then we'll inhale, raise one leg, and exhale, release. Inhale, reach the bottom of the foot towards the ceiling. Exhale, let it go. You can continue with one leg or try both legs, depending on how the lower back feels. And again, just pair this naturally with the breath. It can be slow or fast. And then take a moment to hug the knees in and rock it out. On the hands and knees, begin with a neutral pelvis and bring yourself into your core breath. As you inhale, find a sense of expansion. As you exhale, draw in from the pelvic floor, belly, and ribs. Move this breath now into an extended leg position. Inhale, expand. Exhale, draw in. Once this breath is comfortable with the leg extended and you feel like you can maintain connection to your deep core muscles, begin to exhale and lift the leg no higher than the hip. And inhale, release. When you're ready, add in the opposite arm, maintaining that core connection. And make sure you repeat the same number of breaths on the second side. Lying on your back, bring one knee in towards the chest. You can take a moment to gently roll the hip or rock it in and out. Find your stretch, extend the opposite leg. We want to focus on releasing the hip that is in towards the chest and opening the front of the hip on the extended leg. And then take a moment to switch sides. As you deepen the hip crease of the bent leg, open and extend the hip on the opposite side. Release in Sphinx pose, either supported or unsupported, and then return to prone before pressing back to child's pose. Take as many breaths as you need in any of these positions before you carry on with the rest of your day. Exhale, let go. Namaste.